Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best GoPro Hero 8 microphone is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious content creator looking to elevate their action footage from good to absolutely stunning, ensuring that every roar of the engine, every splash of water, and every word spoken is captured with crystal clear fidelity, transforming your raw clips into immersive, professional-grade videos that truly put your viewers in the middle of the action. Number 5. Movo VXR10 Shotgun Microphone. This microphone works with virtually any device you own, from your smartphone to your DSLR camera. It's your new essential audio companion for all your recording needs. Crafted with a durable aluminum body, it's built to withstand your adventures. The integrated mount ensures clean audio by absorbing handling noise, so you can focus on capturing great sound. Elevate your social media content with crystal clear audio. Whether you're vlogging or interviewing, this compact microphone makes your voice shine, perfect for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Get everything you need right out of the box. It comes complete with windscreens, shock mounts, and cables for both cameras and smartphones. Simply plug in and start recording. This directional microphone hones in on your subject, minimizing background distractions. It's ideal for podcasts, vlogging, and capturing clear audio wherever you go. Join over 100,000 creators who have enhanced their audio quality affordably. This microphone delivers professional sound that makes your content stand out. What we like. This mic offers incredible versatility, working with almost any device you own. Its robust build ensures it can handle the rigors of travel. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one audio solution for your phone and camera, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The media mod for Hero 8 Black is a game-changer for audio quality, allowing you to attach external microphones and capture crystal-clear sound. It features two cold shoe mounts for accessories like lights and microphones, and a 3.5mm microphone jack for external audio input. Number 4. Movo VXR10 Pro Shotgun Microphone. Elevate your video content with broadcast-quality sound. This compact shotgun microphone is designed for filmmakers and vloggers, allowing you to monitor your audio in real time. Experience studio-level clarity with its focused pickup pattern. It isolates your voice and rejects background noise for crisper, more detailed audio. The integrated shock mount virtually eliminates unwanted noise from handling, rumble, and vibrations. This ensures clean recordings every time. Forget about batteries and charging. It draws power directly from your device and works with any camera, smartphone, or tablet with a 3.5mm input. Everything you need is in the box, including adapters for various devices and windscreens for any environment. A protective case is also included for creators on the go. It works seamlessly with DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, and smartphones. Just ensure your device has a 3.5mm external mic input for optimal performance. What we like. Experience professional-grade audio with its highly focused sound capture and superior noise rejection. The integrated shock mount provides exceptional handling noise reduction. If you're a serious content creator who needs pristine audio and the ability to monitor your sound in real time, this mic is for you. What people say. It does a really good job eliminating the howling sound of the wind. Small, no need for batteries, perfect fit for my camera bag. It comes with a foam windscreen as well as a furry one that goes over the foam one, so you can shoot in even super windy conditions without a bunch of distortion. Number 3. BOYA Mini 2 Wireless Lavalier Microphones. Introducing the BOYA Mini 2, the lightest microphone you can get, weighing just 5 grams. Its discreet design ensures comfort and blends seamlessly with your attire for complete concealment. Experience crystal clear audio with adaptive AI noise cancellation. It instantly suppresses unwanted sounds, with adjustable modes for loud environments or maintaining a natural sound atmosphere. Capture professional-grade sound with 48 kHz 24-bit resolution for exceptional clarity. It ensures a pure recording and handles loud sounds without distortion, delivering rich audio. Unlock advanced features with the BOYA Central app. Easily manage settings like volume, noise cancellation, and EQ directly from your smartphone for a personalized experience. Enjoy distortion-free recordings thanks to the built-in limiter and safety track. These features adjust volume in real time and guard against clipping, ensuring every take is protected. With the charging case, you get up to 30 hours of total battery life. Plus, enjoy a stable wireless connection up to 328 feet, giving you the freedom to move and record longer. What we like. This lavalier mic is incredibly discreet and comfortable for all-day wear. Its advanced AI noise cancellation effectively silences distractions, and the long battery life with a charging case means you're always ready to record. If you prioritize comfort, clear audio in noisy environments, and extended recording sessions, this is an excellent option. What people say. The setup is incredibly compact with a convenient charging case, and it works right out of the box with no fuss. The audio quality genuinely surprised me. It's clear and clean, easily good enough for professional use. They automatically connect to the receiver. They have a very long battery life and the audio that the video had was crystal clear. Number 2. BOYA Mini Wireless Lavalier Microphone. This microphone system is incredibly light, weighing just 5 grams per transmitter. It's designed to be easily carried in your pocket or clipped discreetly to your clothing, making it perfect for creators on the go. Experience professional audio with 16-bit 48 kHz high-res recording, delivering clear, CD-quality sound. The built-in microphone captures your voice with lifelike clarity, ideal for any content creation. Our advanced AI noise cancellation technology effectively isolates your voice from background distractions. You can easily adjust the cancellation level to suit noisy environments like busy streets or crowded cafes. Enjoy up to 6 hours of continuous use on a single charge, with a total runtime of up to 12 hours when using both transmitters. It provides a stable wireless connection up to 328 feet, ensuring uninterrupted audio even outdoors. Getting started is simple, no apps or Bluetooth needed. Just connect the receiver to your device, and the transmitters will automatically pair, allowing you to start recording immediately. Transform your voice with built-in AI voice changer modes. You can switch between different voice effects in real time without needing any software, adding a creative touch to your content. This system includes a USB-C receiver compatible with most modern smartphones and computers. It's an excellent choice for interviews, online classes, and live events. What we like. Get studio-quality sound with effortless setup, perfect for creators on the go. Its adjustable AI noise cancellation adapts to any environment, and the unique voice changer adds a creative flair. If you want hassle-free, high-quality audio with a fun, customizable twist for your videos, this is a great pick. What people say. Practical and you can remove noise just tapping the button. The Clarity ADN audio range is huge. Functions very well, they're mini but I love them. A good mic for the price. Sound quality is good otherwise. Battery life is good. Bluetooth connection is good. I use it for my YouTube videos and I am happy with the results. The microphone paired easily with their iPhones and they were able to start recording straight away. Being kids, they love the voice change function and the battery lasts long enough for them to spend the whole day recording videos if they want. The microphone and receiver are very small and lightweight, which is great. Number 1. GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver Edition, Renewed. Introducing the renewed GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver Edition. It's designed to capture your adventures in stunning detail. Record in crisp Full HD at 60 frames per second, or capture incredible slow motion with HD at 120 frames per second. Relive every moment with amazing clarity. Don't miss a beat with its ability to capture up to 10 photos per second. The ultra-wide angle lens ensures you get the whole picture. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and the GoPro app. It's also ready for the optional Wi-Fi remote for even more control. Experience improved performance in low light conditions. It's 15% smaller than its predecessor, making it even more portable. Enjoy up to 30% longer battery life compared to the previous model. Keep filming for longer without interruption. What we like. This camera captures stunning video quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. It's also more compact and offers significantly improved battery life over its predecessor. If you're looking for a reliable action camera that delivers great footage without breaking the bank, this renewed option is worth considering. What people say. Default 960p 60 frames per second, think at 60 frames per second, vid, can go to 1080p too, is awesome, and the camera does pretty well in low light, adjusts quick. The camera is very durable. The wide-angle lens is also something to be amazed at. You don't get very much fisheye effect, but the view can literally almost look at your feet form on top of your head. I have already used a higher frame rate for some really neat slow-motion shots. Compact size and waterproof case, 240 fps 720p video for slow motion, top feature for me, 1080p 60 video, large selection of inexpensive aftermarket mounts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.